Hey guys, we're back. As you can see, today we'll be doing the Master Lock 150. If you watched my last video, you know that I've had some difficulties with 150 in the past. My last video was of the one that I tore apart. So, hopefully we will have better luck with this guy here. I took the last one apart, and if you guys watched the video, you'd know that it has 4 spools and one standard pin with some very shallow serrations in it. So yeah. Anyways, I'm going to pause the video and cut this sucker out of its package, and we will throw it up in the vise. So if you guys can just hang on a millisecond, we will be right back. And we're back. So just before I throw it in the vise, I'd like to show you guys that this is the key. As you know, if you've been watching my videos, come on, hocus pocus, come on, focus. There we go. That's the best key I could find. It's actually sort of similar to the first one, except this new one has 2 high cuts in the back instead of just one, and the first pin is a low cut instead of a high cut. Anyways, put that around, show you that it works. Come on now. Okay, so we're locked up. Throw it up in my vise. In case you guys were wondering, I absolutely love my new vise handle. Makes things so much easier. Gives me a lot more torque to put these locks in here tighter. Anywho, let's go ahead and try and SPP this sucker. I am not going to try and rake it to a fault set. The first lock that I had, I raked for about half an hour with every rake that I had, and I didn't get anywhere. So we're just going to use the standard hook that I made myself from a Sparrow's high reach hook. So we're going to go light tension and just go poking around, see what we can find. Got a click out of 5. Got a click out of 4. Got a click out of 3. Click out of 2. And 1 is super springy. Click out of 3 again. Okay, I got some counter rotation on, I think, number 5. Oh, and he just let go. Okay. Another click out of 2 and 3, and number 1 is still giving me nothing. Come on now. Okay, gonna go ahead and reset here. Okay, I got a small click off of 3, and it felt like I got a small turn on the core. Very slight. Okay, I got a little fault set going. Let's go back to the back again. we've got counter rotation. That was 5. I think I got it set, but we lost our fault set. So just go and touch pin number 3 and 1. See if we can't get that fault set back. No, I think we may have. Just going to loosen up on the tension and sort of rake it lightly a little bit. Okay, I think I screwed that up. I'm going to go ahead and reset. But at least now I know that pin. Just going to make sure my tension wrench isn't resting on pin 1. But now I know that pin number 3, I believe. I do believe. Okay, we got our fault set back. Okay, I think we're on pin 2, counter rotation. Just make sure I'm on him, nice and solid. Okay. Go ahead and see if we lost our fault set there. I'm not sure what happened. Okay, we got it back. So I believe we've got 1, 2, and 3 set. Oh, what happened there? Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay, I think that was pin 5, but we lost our fault set again. There we go. It was pin number 1 had come down again. There's our open, guys. Awesome. Okay. Woo! Oh, that's a good feeling. Okay, guys. Master Lock 150. Conquered. Finally. This lock gave me some troubles, but, persevere. Look up videos, get hints and tips from people. So for any newbies out there, don't let this lock scare you or take your confidence away. It is definitely doable, guys. If I can do it, you can do it. That is for sure. So next, the last lock I have, guys, is this giant smart key, Weiser smart key lock, and it's definitely intimidating. I'm kind of worried about that. Anyways, guys, always keep it legal, have fun, subscribe, and we will see you next time.